Welcome to the weekly Roundup report with Chloe's Auto Repair and Tire. Today we are at the Kennesaw location, so let's go see what's going on. What's going on with this Buick?
This is the 2018 Encore, the model that actually comes with a small battery. This one has a bad turbocharger wastegate rod. So we are in the process of pricing it out and everything, but basically it's just the wastegate's not sealing, so it causes an underboost code.
What's going on with this Nissan, Tim?
So customer came in for a misfire with the check engine light and a handful of codes that were contributing to it. We found that there's an active misfire on cylinder number 3, even after swapping out the plugs and coils and moving them in different locations. The fuel injector is actually not putting out any gas, so it has failed. We also have identified that the control module for the engine itself is bad. So they need a fuel injector, fuel induction service, the module, which we are trying to source right now, and we'll get them back on the road and taken care of.
Awesome, thank you. Thanks for joining us at the Kennesaw location today for the weekly Roundup report. We'll see you next time.